Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a really quick unboxing. I just got my new bag in the mail, so I wanted to unbox it for you guys. So here's the box. It didn't come with any ribbon on it or anything. I took it out of the big box, and I did peek, so I have seen it, but I put it back. So I'm gonna open it so you guys can see. It's a really big box. Alright, so here it is in the dust bag. Right. Ooh. Can you guys see? Ta-da! Okay, so it is the Graceful PM in the Damier Azur. And it has the strap that comes in here, and then the luggage tag is in there, and it comes out and just hangs like that. So it was actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be when I opened it up. I don't know, I knew it was small and I wanted a smaller bag, which is weird for me because usually when I get bags, I always end up getting like the biggest version I can, like with my Neverfull, you know, that I have the MM and the GM, and I always use my GM, and when I was buying my second one, I went for the GM. Just because I wanted a bigger bag. And then with the Speedy, when I went to go get the Speedy, I went to go get the 25 and I ended up with the 30. So this one actually ended up getting the smaller version, but it's because I did want a smaller bag in my collection. And I'm really, really happy with it. I love it. I think it's perfect. It's made in France, which is really cool. I thought it was going to be made in the USA. It has the rose ballerina interior. I originally wanted the beige interior, but that one did get discontinued, and I just went for whatever one that they had available and was easy to get because I didn't really care that much. Yeah, I didn't really care at all. I think if I had a choice, I would have chose the beige, but the pink, I actually am really glad I got the rose ballerina. I think it's really pretty for summer, which is when I primarily want to use this bag. It's really lightweight. It's a lot smaller and lighter than all of the other bags that I have. The print is really pretty for summer. I like that it has the luggage tag on there. And then I like that it's more of like a shoulder bag than like my Speedy, obviously, like hangs lower. Like this is just like a really easy like throw over the shoulder bag, and I love it. I think it's really, really cute for the summer. I think the inside is beautiful with the zipper pocket. It's really well made. I did think the strap drop was going to be a little bit longer. That is the only thing that I think bothers me a little bit, is that when you put it on, you can see it's super, like, it's really high up here. But I haven't put any of my stuff in it yet. I'm going to put my stuff in it now and use it for a while, and then I'll do like a what's in my bag mini review on it. But I just wanted to show it to you guys and do a little unboxing and just kind of like my overall thoughts on it, just looking at it for the first time. The strap does come a little bit wrinkled, but that's normal for this bag because when it comes, obviously it's not hanging out. They have it tucked in and bent like this, so it does wrinkle a little bit, but that is normal for this bag. Other than that, everything on it is pretty perfect. Yeah, everything is really perfect. I love it, and I'm really excited to use it, and then I'll give you guys a more of an updated review after I use it for a little bit. So I'll probably use it for a couple days and then make that my next video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.